Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a focused Premiere Pro project so the generative features behave predictably. Set your sequence to the final resolution and frame rate, then enable auto-save and organize an assets bin. Once done, import your clips, voiceover, and any style reference images or prompt notes. Next, open the Generative AI workspace or panel and sign into the required service. Make sure your GPU acceleration is enabled so rendering and previews stay responsive while you apply AI. Now you'll apply the core generative tools to actual clips. Start with generative fill or similar tools for background extension or unwanted object removal. Paint or mask the area and refine the seed until the result matches the shot. Then generate music or ambience, import it, and set proper levels with sidechain ducking against dialogue. Finally, run AI-assisted color grading per scene and tweak contrast and skin tones manually. This hybrid approach preserves intent while speeding routine adjustments. To finish, render a high-quality preview of the edited portions so you can scrutinize generative changes in real time. Export a small test file with your target codec and bitrate, then check on multiple devices to catch compression artifacts or sync drift. If the AI output looks off, revert the affected clip to the previous version, adjust the prompt or mask precision, and rerun the operation. This iterative fix and preview loop solves most problems without losing creative control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.